So I'm out here on the grill. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon, and I am cooking on this grill, trying to cube some chicken. I got some hot dogs right here. I got some Nathan's and some Bar S. I do like mine crispy, so this is a win-win. I like mine to look like it's barbecued as well as tastes like it's barbecued. I also got some links here. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. I got plenty of food. The grass is green. I'd say it's about 90 degrees out. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is doing fine. That's what it looks like so far. Get into it. And so I got some boneless chicken thighs here. So later this week, possibly I'll slice these up and this will be for salad. So I got it working. So I am all done. This is what it is looking like. I have some corn that I did buy already pre-cooked. All I did was warm it up. I got some potato salad. It is the Great Value Walmart brand potato salad. So this is the original potato salad from Walmart. I do have some barbecue hamburger, some hot barbecue links, some chicken, skinless thighs. And so that is what I am going to be eating for dinner tonight. Looking good, looking good. And so while that is cooking, let me show you what we picked up, rather my son picked up. He picked up a Samsung. It's the Crystal UHD TU7000. It is a 50-inch TV, but it says here that the screen itself is 49.5 diagonal. It has a crystal processor, 4K. It's a smart TV. It's got the 2 HD ports. And so, yeah, he picked this up. Really, really nice. Really, really great find. We picked it up at Walmart. And this is super, super smart. It is really, really nice. It's got a great picture, great color. And so I'm going to show you what it looks like once we get it up. It's got A nice color and great picture quality. And then it says here with the energy guide that the estimated yearly energy cost is $16, which is down from 34. So that's a win-win. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. So that was a great find. I want to say he paid about two. No, I think he said he paid about 370 because it was a Samsung and it's a 50-inch. So that's not too bad at all. That's not too bad at all for 50-inch because prices are going up. So when you catch something like that, that's a win-win. But yeah, guys, I came in here and I wanted to show you guys how I am so in love with these automatic hand washers. And so this one was gifted to me and I love it. I am so in love. I have been putting these all throughout the house. I am so in love with them. I did show you the one that I purchased. One second. I did show you the one that I purchased from Target. This is one, and I love these. So these are win-win. When I tell you, just put your hand under there. You got it. You don't have to worry about if someone else touched it, if someone else hands were not clean. It's good for guests. It's just good for everyone, gas company, family, relatives. I am so in love with these. I am so in love with these. So with that being said, I'm just house ready, guys, and I just wanted to show you all that I was out at the grill trying to get me some barbecue because I did have a taste for some barbecue, and so I did cook some chicken, some links, a little bit of everything, just a little bit of everything. And so I wanted to show you guys how the Five family gets down. And so that's how we getting down today. And so, like I say, the TV is a win-win. I'm trying to remember to tell you guys, don't forget to tune in because I got a DIY that's coming up and we're going to be doing some refreshing. So make sure you come back. Make sure you tune in. And I'm going to be ending the video here because I'm just house ready and I'm just going to finish up with this grill. I'm going to clean it and have it ready for the next time when we go out and we get in the queue on. So until the next video, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and thanks for watching. So this is Pam telling the Five family bye.